Today I'm going to show you how to make tacos al pastor at home. All you need is a hot skillet, the right marinade, and about 15 minutes of cook time. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so for this recipe we're going to need 3 chile guajillos, 1 chile ancho, 2 chile chipotles in adobo sauce, 4 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, 2 tablespoons of achiote paste, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of pineapple juice, the juice of 1 orange, of course all of our spices, fresh pineapple, and sliced onion, and 3 to 4 pounds of thinly sliced pork shoulder. Okay guys, so these are ingredients. Now let's prepare our marinade. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our chile pods. So since we're going to be toasting them, we want them to be dry, yet we want to make sure that they're clean. So get a damp paper towel or kitchen towel and just pass it on both sides. And now you're just going to remove the stem and remove the seeds. Okay, once we have them, we're going to lightly toast them, so like that we can get the smoky flavor on our marinade. Then transfer it with boiling hot water and allow them to soak for at least 5 minutes or until they soften. Okay, after 5 minutes, our chiles should have softened, so transfer them to your blender along with the chipotles and adobo sauce, achiote paste, pineapple juice, the juice of 1 orange, apple cider vinegar, the garlic cloves, piece of onion, and all of our spices. Okay, now blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our marinade. Now we're just going to allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, we can prepare our meat. Okay, so now we're going to get our pork shoulder and we're just going to pat it dry. Okay, so now we're just going to slice it down. Remove the excess fat, cut each steak in half, then pound it until it's nice and thin. Once you fline the pork, slice it against the grain into thin, bite-sized strips. And once we have our meat all thinly sliced, now we can get ready to add the marinade. Now just mix it in with your meat. Okay, and here I'm going to mix in my onion along with some fresh pineapple. Now we're just going to cover it, place it in our refrigerator, and allow it to marinate between 4 to 6 hours. And once we have our meat marinated, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alright guys, now here we're going to set our skillet over medium-high heat, and you're going to allow it to get nice and hot. Okay, and once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our meat, and we're going to be doing this step in batches. Now we're just going to allow it to cook for a couple minutes. Do not touch it. Alrighty guys, and after a couple minutes, we're going to move our meat around, so like that it could finish cooking. Alrighty guys, and after a couple more minutes, our pastor is done. Of course, you want to make sure that your meat is fully cooked. Now we're just going to remove it from the skillet. Here we're just going to warm up our tortillas. Okay, and once we have our tortillas, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, now let me give you some tips before you go. Tip number 1, you can always ask your butcher to cut your pork shoulder because that's honestly the hardest part of this recipe. Now tip number 2, if you want your pastor to be spicy, you can always add chile de árbol or substitute the guajillo for New Mexico chile pods. And also if you want it to be a little sweeter, you can always add a little bit of honey. Now tip number 3, you can always return all of your meat once it's done cooking to the pan and just keep it on the lowest setting so like that your al pastor stays nice and fresh. And also, you guys, if you want to level up your al pastor, make sure you serve it with my salsa de piña. I already have a video for this. I will make sure I leave it at the end of the video and as well in the description box. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.